posted a driving video. Now it's the time because we were able to borrow our car. This is driving a GAC Motors MZU R-Style 2025. So meron siyang different mode of driving. So it has a very upgraded and advanced features of ano bang tawag doon sa gasoline? Diesel ba to? It is gasoline? Okay, this is a gasoline pala. I thought it's diesel. And it's not yet hybrid, but it has a very nice computer system, and as you can see in this panel, it has different driving modes. You have the Eco. You will use that Eco if you are in the traffic, and then Comfort if there's no traffic. And I'm in Sport mode because we are driving almost 80 km/h. So it adjusted on its own. I did not press it, but it went to Sport. And then if you prefer also the Sports Plus, that's when the other, what do you call that? Combustion pipe? Exhaust? Oh, yan. May tunog-tunog siya na broom broom. Yan. It has an effect, or it has a sound of sporty car. So yung kaya R-Style, so parang sport style car siya. It's actually parang hindi siya mid sedan, parang ganyan. Hindi naman siya SUV kasi. It's a 5-seater car. I will show you a different review later on, but for now it's just my driving here at Expressway. Yan. For those who miss my driving, I'm not sure if I'll be able to have some follow-up on this, but hope you like this one. And here I'm showing you again a barefoot driving mode. For my subscribers, please continue supporting my new channel because my previous channel was terminated due to copyright issues. So now I'm creating again and hoping that it will be monetized soon. Yan. So ano lang siya, it's automatic car pala. Okay. So for those who are hoping for a reading, no, I cannot do that, of course. We are in an expressway right now. So here's the key for the gear. Wala na siyang shift gear, so it has only buttons. So yan, park, and you just lift this and press the just pull this or click something like that, and it will shift to reverse, neutral, and driving or sport mode. And this is the panel board or dashboard. It has a wide screen for the driving mode, and also ano din siya, Bluetooth assist. And if you have, you can also connect your phones. And here it has a driving board, but this one, the steering wheel, it's ano lang siya, sakto lang siya, hindi siya masyadong malambot, hindi rin siya masyadong matigas, so which is good for me. I don't like very soft steering wheel kasi pagka nagmamabilis ka, mahirap siyang i-control. It is more prone to accident pag masyadong malambot ang steering wheel. daily driver lang. And this is the gauge panel. Ayan, nakikita mo kung gaano ka kabilis, automatic. Ano na rin siya, digital or computerized is that what you call it. So, high-tech na rin yung gauge panel niya. Ayan, so that is the kalsada. This is where we are right now at North Luzon Expressway. And we're just going to have some running errands that we need to do. Hope you guys continue supporting my channel. Okay, so here, ayan, aking kapaan na may kalyo. So I hope you have a very wonderful day, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.